Hi guys,
Hi.
welcome to another weekly vlog, and it's long weekend here in Dublin, so I'm gonna show you all the long weekend activities, so keep watching.
What are you looking at?
Cheers! So guys, right now I'm at Penny's. Penny's is Primark, we call here Penny's. It's an affordable shopping store.
Hi guys, so chopping is done and I will call Ashi to take over from here. Ashi.
Hi. Oh. Oh. Nice. What are you doing? Oh, great. So we've done the chopping. So guys, we are making Bagan ka bharta, and it's one of our favorite dishes. And if Indians are watching and want Bagan ka bharta exactly the smoky flavor, I have the recipe for you. So what we have to do is just take everything whatever you like in Bagan ka bharta. I have like tomatoes, one dried red chili and peanuts and sliced aubergine baguette. So this is also I have some green chilies and onions. Alright. So everything will go straight in the oven, and you have to roast this for 15 to 20 minutes, and then that is once it is roast and nice, just let it cool for some time, and then you can fry that baguette ka bharta. So yes, so let's just do this. So guys, this is how it looks. Just see. Okay, so this will go into the oven. So it's cool now. What we will do is we will just mash this sliced aubergine or baguette and the rest we will just blend. Okay, so guys, now everything is done and we have our spices, and I'm using sunflower oil because right now I'm short of my mustard oil. You can use mustard oil also because it enhances the flavor. And yes, let's make this Bagan ka bharta. And this is ready. It smells so tasty. It satisfied my desi soul. Oh god, I'm so excited. It's ready. Just zoom, please, and show. Yeah. Oh god, I'm so happy. So try this recipe and let me know if you guys like this recipe. Spray. Have you decided something? What we are going to watch? For that, I will be watching it later, huh?
It's all
I was
household.
really tried. So guys, what is this hype of Sayara movie? I don't understand. We are not getting any tickets. It's completely like houseful. Is it worth watching if somebody has watched these seriously worth watching. Yeah, I know what we are watching while eating. So guys, we'll just finish our food and keep watching this video. Bye. So guys, this is a free family festival. It happens every summer at Bray, so please visit.
Why are you standing here? Can you tell me? I'm waiting to pee. And this is the queue. See guys, this is the queue. It's never ending.
Yeah, of course. Let's see. Ready? Whoa! First attempt.
Whoa! Good one. Wow. It's so windy today and we enjoyed this game and I am tired but still see his energy levels. Alright guys, so keep watching this video. We are heading to home.
Yeah, so we enjoyed the game. I first time played in so windy weather, thanks to Ireland.
So windy, seriously.
So we are heading home now and keep watching the video for more updates. Bye. Hello.
Hi.
What's cooking?
Fried rice. It's all veggies, just salt and rice.
Let's have a look. Smells very good.
Yeah, it's very healthy.
And my favorite too.
Of course, our
Yeah.
favorite.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.